Hey guys, good morning. So obviously watch the morning video. So you're going to finish the multiplication by ones page. So yesterday you should have done 50. Today you'll do the other 50. Then for reading / ELA, you're going to re-skim the Panning for History story that you read yesterday, and then you're going to finish answering the questions. So that'll be number 6 through 10. Then you're going to, for writing, reread your introduction paragraph to your narrative, and if you did some planning, skim over the planning again and write the first body paragraph to your narrative. So your narrative is about what you would do if you found a buried treasure. So like I said yesterday, you did the introduction to that, and today is the first body paragraph. So that is right after the introduction, and that is what you are using to kind of get the story going. For math, you are doing capacity, and I'll go over a few of those with you, and then read for 20 minutes, and then the Google Classroom enrichment links that are on that I will post. Play around with those. There's some really cool ones this week, so I hope that you'll access some of them if you're able. And as far as that narrative body paragraph, remember you're aiming for at least 5 sentences. But in the body paragraph, obviously you can write more than that, and you should write more than that if it keeps the story going. If you're just writing to write, that's also great, but we're trying to keep the story making sense a little bit, and so write all you want, but just make sure that it is making the story progress. Okay, so then we will go and look at the math really quickly. So here we have our pages on capacity. So the amount a container can hold is called capacity. We went over this actually, and we talked about all the things in the room that could hold certain amounts. So we've got 1 fluid ounce here, that is nail polish, and then 1 cup is a measuring cup, and we talked about that. And then a pint is like ice cream, so it's a good example. We were talking about this is the ice cream that you can get from the store. And then a quart of milk, it's not quite a gallon, but it's the larger one of all the options that you have. And then there's the gallon of milk right here. So Miss Sullivan, so awesome. She did this page for us. She put the ankle chart that her class used, and so you can use this to figure out these questions. So obviously the G is a gallon, then the Q's are quarts, and then there's pints inside, and then the C's are cups. And you're going to use that to figure out how many quarts are in a gallon, how many pints are in a quart, how many cups in a pint, and then so on and so forth. The next page. And so here it wants you to try to copy that chart that she included for you. So the big G with the Q's and the P's and the C's, we want you to try to copy it from memory. And if you aren't sure what goes inside, you can go back and look. And then here's some basic conversions, and then a couple of word problems. And then obviously again, near the back, you have your the rest of your math facts. So if you have any questions, post on Google Classroom. Otherwise, have a great day.